Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Take exit 8 onto Nordell Way.
Alex Fraser Bridge. We're here, guys, at Alex Fraser Bridge. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple, Tito Arnold's Vlog. Be with us today. Good morning, guys. We're crossing the Alex Fraser Bridge. Ayan na po. At di po namin alam kung saan kami makakarating ngayon. Ayan. Kitang-kita nyo yung mga bundok dyan, at saka ang mga beaches dyan sa... Dito na po yung Suri. Papuntang Suri po ito.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 8 onto Nordell Way.
Punta kami ng Nordell Way.
Keep left onto Nordell Way.
I know this is very sharp. So ayan, nasa Delta na po tayo. Ayan. Delta. Ayan o, very sharp ang roundabout nito, guys. Ayan, pupunta po tayo ng Suri, pero nandito po tayo sa Delta. Ayan po yung
In
way.
7.9 kilometers, turn right onto King George Boulevard.
Pasok na ho tayo ng Suri. Ayan. Shoutout dyan sa mga taga Suri, mga kaibigan ko. Ayan. Ayan, nandito na tayo guys sa palinisan ng papalinis ho tayo ng sasakyan. Ito si Pilot. Try po namin yung pre-car wash ng Honda. Ayan, blessing yan sa amin. So, salamat sa Honda.
Suri Honda.
Nandito po kami sa Suri Honda. Kaya magpapalinis at sobra na pong madusing si Pilot. Kaya
in the brightness of day, your love surrounds me in every single way. Forever faithful, forever true. Your love endures, it's always new. In every season, in every storm, you're my anchor, you're my song. Through the valleys deep and wide, through the mountains I must climb, your hand guides me with every step of time. Forever faithful, forever.
automatic po kasi ito, ayan, wala po kayong makikita kundi mga sabon. Saka ayan ho, ayan, dapat kung nasa labas tayo, hindi naman natin pwedeng buksan to. Ayan. Automatic po ito. Nasa car wash po tayo. Ayan. naubusan kaya karwas po, karwas tayo. Ayan, nagre-rinse na o, naghuhugas na, inuhugasan na po niya. Ayan, look at that. See? Ayan po, 24/7 po sila.
Let's go!
All this makes sense to me, 'cause this is who I am. This is who I am. I don't care what people say.
Ayan guys, pumili po kami ng 1 dozen mixed donut. So, ito po yung regular Krispy Kreme. Tapos New York po itong dalawa na to. Yan po ang New York. Yan po ang ano yung in-order mo na yan?
Lemon. At saka yung dalawa na yan, raspberry.
Oh, yan. Raspberry daw po, chocolates. And then Boston cream, ayan. At saka apple fritter. Ayan. Maghahati po kami ni Mrs. dyan. Ayan. Hindi kami mag-aaway dyan. Okay.
Let's enjoy.
Let's enjoy the donut in the morning. Good morning, guys. With crispy coffee po. Ayan. Coffee cream. Napaka sugary po namin ngayon. Double pa yan. Yung coffee namin na large. So, ayan guys. Let's enjoy. Keep it simple with Tito Arnold's vlog. Good morning guys. Have a great day. Ito ang New York cheesecake ng Krispy Kreme. Ayan o. Kakainin po natin. Tugo tayo sa sasakyan. So, ayan. For sure, talagang matamis ho ito. Coffee and donut ho tayo ngayon. So, keep it simple, guys. Ayan. I know I'm diabetic, but we'll try this and then that's it. For me, for my lunch and breakfast. Ayan, si Mrs. yun, nagkuha naman siya. Apple fritter. Ayan. That's it. Natin itatry po natin itong crispy donut na New York cheesecake donut ho. Ayan. Try ho natin kung gaano kasarap. Ang buwan yun. Ayan ho. Wow! creaminess inside. Ayan po. Yung laki ng bite to. You can see the simplicity, but wow, the sweetness. Wow. I-try nyo po ito sa Krispy Kreme. Ito po yung New York cheesecake nila, donut. Ito naman po yung simply nila, classic nila. Ayan. I'm going in again. Wow! I wish I could share with you kung naghihina ako kayo. Ito ang try ninyo. Ang sarap. May energy kayong i-burn pag pupunta kayo ng gym. Kumain muna kayo nito. Okay, keep it simple with Tito Arnold's vlog. Thank you so much sa mga subscriber ko. Along ang camera woman ko po nandiyan, si Mrs. Thank you so much. At ayan na po ang Krispy Kreme at magagalit na ho siya rito kasi nag-cram na ho ako sa sasakyan niya. Kalat na. Okay, keep it safe, keep it simple, keep it healthy. This is healthy for now. It's a cheat day, so and keep on moving because moving is power. Power on all the time. God bless po.
No, my something's alive in the brightness of love day.